How to post a job as client in Upwork. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can upload or post a job as a client in Upwork. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first step, open up your uh, Upwork. Then what you can do here is you can continue as your account. So first, obviously, you will need to sign up or your account. So sign up and here create an account as a client. So join as client. You can continue with Google. I'll just continue with Google right here. And the account creation process is really simple. So go through that. And after you do that, create my account. And that should create the account. So while we're going through this account creation, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's dive right into it. First step, after you're here, what you'll need to do is you will then need to start writing a title for your job post. So as you can see, I'm just on this page here. Simply write a title for your job. So let's say that I'm looking for a designer. After I write that, I can tap on next, where I will need to select the skills that I need for my, desired employee. So as you can see, there is graphic design. Let's say that I want the person to be able to do Photoshop, 3D design, and infographic and stuff like that. After that, tap on next. After you do that, you will be prompted to another question, and there you will see the estimate of your scope work. So if your scope is a really large for a large project, you can choose this one. If it's a medium project, you can choose this one. I'll just select the small option. Then here is how long the work's gonna take. I'll just type in less than a month. And then you'll see this option, what type of experience it requires. I'll just put the entry. Then if you can select if it's a contract, that is if this can become a full-time job or not. So I'll just select no, not at this time, and then tap on next. So next we'll have to then select a budget. So here you can choose a fixed rate or an hourly rate. An hourly rate, you will see from how much dollars you want to spend per hour, the minimum amount and the maximum amount that you are willing to spend. So you can go up to as much as you want. You will see professionals tend to charge $10 to $25 per hour, and there you can see the graph as well. So for a fixed price, all you have to do is type in a price. Then tap on next, in which you will need to type in a description. So type in a description as what you need in the job. So here you can type in your expectations about what the person needs to deliver or what you're expecting from the person and what skills are required. You can also write the qualifications required and the details of your team or details of the work, the nature of the work they're going to do. So you can type in whatever you want. I'll just write in just need a designer who can design logos and posters, and then tap on review job post. After you write everything on your description, you can then edit more on the post, or you can simply post your job. So if I cross this out, you can see now I can edit the job from here and simply post this job. And doing that, you will have posted a job on your Upwork as a client. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.